Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report today on this 29LX from Cobra. This is for Dennis in Virginia. I think it's Virginia? Virginia. Okay, Dennis sent me this radio and it had all kinds of chrome knobs on the front and it had an echo put here, but it had the regular size shaft, so it was real short and the knobs wouldn't stay on it. And it was all over mod and stuff, so we cleaned it up a whole bunch. We did a MOSFET modification, replaced all the knobs in the front, replaced the echo shaft with a long shaft for this Cobra radio, and put on matching knobs. Cleaned up everything there, did a receiver modification, MOSFET modification, that's it. All right, so let's check it out over here. Got 10 watts on the top scale there. Just a hair over 6. And on the 50 watt peak reading, that's 40 right there.
Check, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio.
Okay. And there you have it. Let's see what's going on. Nobody there. How about it, channel 19? Can I get a radio check? Channel Orange working. I appreciate the comeback. You have a fine day.